Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a really fun and kind of different video for my channel. So I actually graduated college and now I'm going to be going to grad school, so I'm going to be moving to another city. And even though that can be very nerve-wracking and it can feel kind of intense, it also gives me a great opportunity to work on my interior design skills. Not that I'm trying to be anyone's interior designer. Like I say every time, I'm not anyone's makeup artist or interior designer, but I am really excited to decorate my apartment and kind of make it my own. I've been looking up Pinterest like pins all the time. I have this whole like board in my mind. I have this idea of how I have always wanted my rooms to look. So if you stay tuned, you will see all of the stuff. I'm looking out into all of the things that I bought for my apartment already, and okay, let's just get into this video. I have nothing else to say about it. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get into the goodness. People that I know at all times, lot of chitter chatter bitches, but for me it's all grind. Okay, so I visited a couple of stores, and when I say a couple, I actually mean like the whole city of where I live. I went all over town, like all sides of town, looking at all of these stores. And of course, when I think of like getting kind of a trendy, cute, cozy little apartment, I think of HomeGoods and Marshalls and maybe TJ Maxx and maybe Michael's, you know. So I went to all of those stores. To start off, I want to start with my favorite store, HomeGoods. So I went to HomeGoods. I went to 2 or 3 locations. The best thing about HomeGoods is at each one of them you can find something different, which I did. So like I said, I had an idea in my mind, and I tried to like first start off with getting the main pieces and knowing like what the main items like your comforter, your curtains are gonna look like, and then I built off of that. And I'm not done getting everything, but this is what I've gotten so far. So the theme of my room, I guess, in my apartment is going to be like cozy, chic. I don't know what to name it. I don't know. But I do know that I want like the colors to pretty much be like white and like a soft pink. So the first thing that I got in my bathroom will be like light pink goldish. So the first thing I'll show you guys I got today are these bathroom rugs. Can you see the color? So as you see, it's like, it's from the Newberry collection. I got 2 of these. This is like a light pink mixed in with white, sort of fluffy fabric. I love it. And by the way, I'm starting to think my favorite color is pink, with my pink nails, pink background, pink room. I don't know what's going on. So I got 2 of these. So oddly enough, one of these was $12.99 and one of them was $7.99. I don't know why. Maybe there was like a buy one get one some sort of percentage off, but I'll take it. So I usually get 2 of these rugs because I put one in front of my bathtub and then I put one in front of my sink for like when you get out and when you want something kind of soft to stand on in the morning. So I was really happy when I found these because I really wanted to stick with the pinkish, like light pink color. Next, I got some curtains. So the way that my room is, I have 2 windows. So they're bare right now. They don't have any blinds, any curtains, of course. So I bought curtains that I'm gonna put up, even though I've never done this before. I might need my mom's help. She's like so good at this stuff. But these are called sheer pom-pom pull type top window curtains. So there's 2 panels each, and look how cute it is. It's white and it has these little white balls on the side. I love them. They are 38 inches wide and 84 inches long. I have no idea if that's gonna fit my windows. So like I said, there's 2 windows and I'm gonna put 2 panels on one and 2 panels on the other. I have no idea what it's gonna look like, but I thought these were so cute. Now, both of these were $14.99 from HomeGoods, but at this point, I just kind of have like an idea in my head. So of course I'm trying to bargain shop, but then at the same time, I'm like, if it's just like cute and perfect, I feel like I have to get it. So I love these curtains. I can't wait to see what they're gonna look like all together. The next thing I got from HomeGoods during this trip was this. It's actually pretty heavy, and I don't know why they actually give me the hanger, but it's a luxury throw is what it's called. Ooh, look at her. It's so soft, as you can see. Ugh, background on the throw. So like I said, I have this like idea in my mind that I want like a white comforter and then a little accent of color from the throw, you know, like on the corner of the bed type of thing, but it also had to be furry and comfortable because, you know, you want things to be cute and functional. So if you're just like hanging out on the bed, you can kind of throw the throw on, and I just thought it was so cute. So I've been looking for a pink one, and I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this one. I'm gonna see how it looks in my room. I really do like it, although I have seen other ones that kind of look like faux fur and they're pink, and I think that that would be really cute as well. The throw was $16.99. Okay, so the next few things that I got on my other trip to HomeGoods. So I'm moving into this apartment. I don't have any roommates as of now, and so I need to literally provide the plates, the utensils, you know, everything. Like there's nothing in there but furniture. So at HomeGoods, I thought it would be so cute to get these cute little bowls and plates. Look how cute these bowls are. So this is the size comparison to my head. At first I was looking at them and I thought they were kind of small bowls, but they're actually like a pretty decent size. I mean, I don't know what you need bigger bowls for if you're eating things, I don't know. It's by Tommy Bahama. And both of these bowls were $3.99 each, and that's why I only got two because I don't know, I feel like I don't really use bowls as much, and if I do, I'll just wash them, and I might even just get cheaper bowls. But I thought these were so cute. As you can see, it's like a hard material. It's actually made out of, it says 100% melamine, and I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's the material. I don't know. I'm assuming it's the material though. So that's that. So both of these were $3.99. And then to go with my cute little bowls, I got these plates. This comes in a pack, a set of 6. So there's 6 dinner plates in this. So as you can see, it looks like watermelon and leaves. I think it really nicely matches the bowls, if you can kind of see the vibe. I don't know, I'm always into things that kind of make me feel happy and are functional, like I said. So this is by Cynthia Rowley. It's 100% melamine once again, and these 6 plates were $9.99. Next, I needed a kitchen towel. Like I said, there's nothing there, so I'm getting it all. And I thought, how cute would it be? Okay, so if you know me, you know that I actually like wine. I mean, I feel like what woman doesn't? Okay, I shouldn't say that because now I feel like an alcoholic, but I enjoy a glass of wine. I don't drink it every night or anything, but when I do drink it, I'm having a ball. And so I thought it was so cute, these towels. It says, "Wine makes life better." And I know that my dad hates when I get things like this because he takes it so seriously. He's like, "Are you becoming a lush?" And he gets like so concerned. But I just love that it has like the little pink accents. I love the little cursive writing. And so I thought it would be so cute and once again functional because I need towels. Might as well make them kind of cute and fun and add like a little shade touch to it. These towels were $6.99 for this whole set, and you get 2 towels. So on to the next store that I spent all of my coins at. I also went to Target. I went into Target because, like I said, a few of the major decor items that I've been looking for is like a fake plant and fake flowers, kind of like this one right here. I actually got that one at Marshall's. I'm pretty sure I got it at Marshall's. And I see ones that look like that, but I want something that, I don't know. I feel like when I see it, I'll know. When I see it, I will know. So on to Target. So that's what I went to Target for. But I was also able to get some other like little things that I know that I'm gonna need. So I will need a shower curtain. The first thing that I got from Target is just that, a shower curtain. And I think this is so cute. It's by Project 62. And so as you can see, it's white at the top, and then it has this gold band and then pink. And so I loved this combination because I love having like gold accents like this, like that, mixed with pink. And so in my bathroom I do plan to have these curtains, and then I want to have like a cute little greenery little flower and just little accents of gold or pink like the rugs that I got. So I really loved this one. This shower curtain is 99% cotton. It's really thick, it feels durable. It feels like it's gonna last me a long time. And I can wash it in the washer. So if it gets dirty, you know, I can always reuse it. I'm not like, oh, well, it's done for. I'm not gonna hand wash it. And so this was $19.99 from Target. Along with the shower curtain, I just got one of the Room Essentials shower curtain liners to go behind the actual curtain because you don't really want to get water everywhere. It's just something that you kind of need. And this liner was $2.99. The other thing that I got from Target, which is really helpful, I got this 20-piece flatware set. So it gives you 4 salad forks, 4 dinner forks, 4 dinner knives, 4 teaspoons, and then 4 dinner spoons because, you know, I really care about the difference between those. But I got this 20-piece set. Once again, like I said, there's nothing there right now. There's no utensils. So I'm kind of looking for a bargain as far as, you know, like all the necessities of things that aren't really like, I don't feel like I need the best quality in. So this flatware set was $9.99, and that is all that I got from Target. So the next store that I went to is Marshall's. And Marshall's, obviously, like I said earlier, is one of my favorite stores because I feel like HomeGoods, obviously, it's where it's at as far as home decor. HomeGoods, that's what it's for. And then I feel like Marshall's has like a really good home section. TJ Maxx, you know, they have a few things, but Marshall's, I feel like usually you can find a lot of what you're looking for. So I got quite a few things from Marshall's as far as everything, only a few house things. I actually got this cute, oh wait, I got this from HomeGoods. I thought I got this from Marshall's and I actually got it from HomeGoods. So, one other thing from HomeGoods that I got yesterday, because everything's running together, I got this drapery rod. And I was talking to my mom and I realized that I just wasn't even thinking. I don't know. Okay, so I bought one rod, but I actually need 2. That's the short version of it. But I think I'm gonna go back and get another one. As you can see, it's a really cute rod. And it was on clearance for $10, but I need 2, so I'm like, if it's on clearance, I don't know if I can find another one that'll match, but I saw some really cute, like 2, whatever. It's a really cool rod. Like I said, $10, and I was like, I mean, can you really beat that? Probably not. Okay, on to actually what I got at Marshall. So one of the biggest items I was looking for first and foremost, because I knew it would just set the tone of the room. Once I got this item, I knew that I could like continue to build the decor off of this one. So I was really excited when I found this. I got my bedding. I got my comforter. It was a big deal, guys, because I was looking at comforters and I was like, I want a white comforter, but I don't want it too white. So maybe I'll get gray, like off-white, but it can't be off-white because I want white curtains. Like I wanted white. I wanted the sophisticated, cute, cozy white. But first of all, white comforters are expensive. Secondly, I was just like unimpressed. Then I went to Marshall's and I found the cutest Kate Spade comforter set. So it comes with a huge comforter and it comes with 2 pillow shams. So there's not much to see. I'll let you see the side so you can just see the pattern of it. So it's actually white and gray. And it's a pretty pale, it's actually a pretty big package. But as you can see, it's like a pale gray, so it's not too gray. I feel like it adds a little bit of something interesting to the comforter, so it's not just all white, but still a white comforter. And I'm really excited about having this. So like I said, it's Kate Spade. I got a full / queen. So I just looked at the receipt to actually confirm how much I paid for this, because for some reason, I think I just saw it and was like, I want this, and didn't even really actually look at how much it costs. So this bedding cost $59.99. Let's not talk about it. So yes, I got this bedding. I love it. Like I said, it's Kate Spade. I'm hoping that, you know, by buying like a quality comforter, it kind of lasts longer, it doesn't get dingy as much. So I'm really excited about this. So now I can like know what my comforter looks like, and I can continue, like I got my curtains based off of that, knowing that I had a white comforter, I wasn't gonna have to settle for like pink or something, and I can continue to kind of, you know, build the room. Okay, next I got a lamp. So I have one like bedside table nightstand, that's what it's called. I'm like, what is that called? And so I have an idea for that too, guys. I've been thinking, okay, I've had a lot of time since I graduated, so I wanted to have like the side of my bed with a cute little lamp, and I was thinking of having one of like the crystals, the natural crystals. I'm not sure if I want to have a crystal or a flower, but I might get like the little flowers that I was just talking about. I was thinking of having on my nightstand my notebooks, whatever, because I actually use those, and then having a lamp, and then having like a cute little just like simple flower vase thingy like that. So I found this cute, it's not a big nightstand, by the way. So I found this cute little lamp, and I'm hoping that it just like gives the vibe that I'm looking for. Here's the lamp, hopefully you can see it. So this is what the top looks like. It's just a white shade, and then as you can see, this part is kind of like crystal ballish, like it says crystal here, that's how I would describe it. And it's a clear base as well. I thought it was so cute. I feel like it's just like simple, but it also has something interesting. Like they had some that were just regular solid balls, but I wanted this one just to be a little extra. For this lamp I paid $24.99, which a lot of the lamps were like at the lowest $24. So this was like at the lower end, and I was just like, I feel like it's pretty much what I want. So we're in the spirit of like treat yourself, I guess. That's all that I got from Marshall's as far as home decor. Okay, so finally I'm at my last bunch. Don't you feel like I got kind of a lot? I mean, I feel like I should have got more too. I mean, I'm not done. But anyway, the last place I went to was Tuesday Morning. They usually have some interesting things and a lot of like deals. So I said maybe I can get some of my basics from there. So the first thing I got was these cups, which they call, I don't know, they're just these like, so I need glasses for when people want drinks, when I want drinks, if I'm like bringing people over. And so this is a 10-piece. They're kind of like swirly, if you can see. That's what the glasses look like. So I got this 10-piece cup set for like $7.99. Girl, I mean, maybe they're the type that are really fragile and will like break once you put them in the dishwasher, but I mean, for now, I'm like, I can definitely get with that. So $7.99 for this case of 10 glasses. Also, while I was there, I got some hangers. So I don't know, I like getting cool colored hangers. I've gotten these type in pink, black, and so this time I just chose this like grayish white, whatever it is. It comes with 25 hangers, and this was $9.99 for all of these. I might have to get more because I usually have a lot of things to hang up, but I also have little cubbies that go in the closet. But yeah, I got these for $9.99, and it's one of those things like you just need for your house. And lastly, I got some wash rags. They were $6. As you can see, they're like I guess I would say it's like a plum color, a white color, and a gray color, and you get 8 of them for $6. So I was gonna get some matching towels, but the towels were like $8 for one towel, whereas I got like, well no, it was like $8 for one towel versus like $6 for 8 little wash rags. I mean, I know it's not comparable, but like at the same time, $8 for one, like what? So I figured I could just get some at one of our stores around here that are a lot cheaper. So this will be good. I don't know, just having some that kind of coordinate, having some that are like kind of cute or whatever. For $6, I'll take it. Okay guys, so that's everything that I got for my apartment so far. That does not mean that we're done. I still have a few things that I want to get. I also did get like, you know, cleaning supplies and air fresheners, things like that, but I figured you guys really just want to see more of the decor. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I've had so much fun finding all this stuff, and the best part is that the best part has not even come yet, me actually decorating. So if you want to see me decorate my room, if you want to see the whole process of moving from one city to the next, follow my moving vlog. The best way to see all of them is just subscribe to my channel. And then go to my videos, or you know, click the bell so that you're notified whenever I post videos, and we can just avoid all of that. Once again, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. I guess that's all I really have to say for that.